Word problems on highest common factor. Some problems on highest common factor are not easy to identify. Thus, for this video, the main focus is not on going through how to find the highest common factor. I hope you know it. But more importantly, to go through how to determine when to find the highest common factor. The basic rule is, whenever you are required to find a number that completely divides more than one number, you have to find the highest common factor. Let's see how it works. First of all, read the problem very carefully. The ropes will be cut into pieces. This means they will be divided into pieces, and all pieces must be the same length. This length must be the greatest possible length. Therefore, highest common factor is needed here because we are asked to find a number that completely divides the lengths of the ropes. And this length must be the greatest possible length. So the greatest possible length must be the highest common factor of 672 and 616. The greatest possible length is 56 centimeters. Each rope will be divided into 56 centimeter pieces. If we were asked to calculate how many pieces each rope would be divided into, we would divide the length of each rope by the length of each piece, 56 centimeters. 11 pieces of 56 centimeters and 12 pieces of 56 centimeters. Another example. The two types of wine will be separated into casks. This means they will be divided into casks and all the casks must be the same volume. For the least possible number of casks of equal volume, the volume of each cask must be of the greatest possible. To get the greatest volume of each cask, we have to find the largest number which exactly divides 1575 and 735. Therefore, we must find the highest common factor. Each cask must be 105 liters. Now we divide the volume of each type of wine by 105. The first kind of wine will be divided into 15 casks, and the second kind of wine will be divided into 7 casks. The wine cellar will need 22 casks. Another example. We can think of dividing this rectangular room into squares, and each square is as large as possible. The side of the square slab is the highest common factor of 544 and 374. If we divide the area of the room by the area of each square slab, we can know how many square slabs are needed to fill the room.